In the cooling section, you will find the parameters that allow you to adjust the temperature and speed at which the material and layers are cooled while they are being printed. To display the hidden parameters, click on the Information button. The Enable Print Cooling option will allow you to activate the layer fan and allow it to cool the layer as they are being printed. The fan speed parameter allows you to modify the speed at which the layer fan rotates, with 100% being the maximum speed. The layer fan setting is already defined in the standard settings of each material, made up of the printing temperature, the section of the model to be printed, and if an overhang or bridge is required. BCN3D Cura allows you to configure many parameters, which you can enable from the top settings, Settings Visibility, Enable All, or by clicking on the settings icon of each parameter. In the BCN3D knowledge base, you will find detailed information on how to adjust each parameter, with tips according to the materials and hardness you want to use.